So this is a smart trading app, which is for mainly buying and selling of financial, instruments, such as stocks, bonds, currencies, commodities, etc. So the purpose of this is to make a profit. Of course, I mean, you do the trading and you want the profit. Everyone wants the profit, right? So this is a program which helps you to trade, and figure out the perfect decision whether to buy or sell. So this automated script can help you, or any trader or investor, to get a good understanding of any stock, which is quickly understandable within like 5 seconds looking at the screen, right? And if he's willing to invest, then they can make the decision based on this data set and the pattern and the pricings. So for this purpose I used these some of the packages. The most important package is Profit, which is very important, and Yahoo Finance, and of course for graphs, Plotly and Streamlit. uh, so 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 to run this application, you first need to install all of these, and then you can run it, and let's show how it works. So basically the application is for algo trading or stock price comparison dashboards kind of thing. So let's see how it works. I run this program and it opens up a new okay, so this is some issue. I will fix it. This is some error. I will look into it later on, but yeah. So basically, let's say, so I took example of 5 companies: Nvidia, Apple, Google, Tesla and Microsoft, and the result is from 2015. So using this application, let's say Nvidia, because Nvidia's prices shot up recently due to AI. So it shows the correct pattern, as we all know about Nvidia chips, and this is how. So it also shows you the forecast pattern, and based on these decisions you can decide to buy or sell the shares basically.